Hello guys, welcome to GetReviews channel. If you are struggling to make money as an affiliate marketer, and if you don't get any sell tool right now, then I will introducing Affiliate Beginner to Advanced course. In this course you will get 44 high-quality video classes. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. It covered several initial processes to get you going. Proven fresh method to increase sales. Actually it is a guide which will walk you through every new and fresh method to get high sales. Now it's only available to $37. And I honestly said that you will also get the result like shown on the screen. The strategies shown in the course are try and tested by the course created Chris and Pradeep Sagal. Mr. Shajil is a newbie in affiliate marketing, but he try all strategies that shown in course and he got massive success in 2021. He able to make over $1 million in 2021 working as an affiliate marketer. And he make money continuously every week and every month. So I request you must see the details of this course. I provide the link of this course in the description, so you can easily get it. Thanks for watching. If you like it then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.